Fuchun Tyre, a trusted name with 31 years of experience in manufacturing rubber inner tubes, tires, and flaps. Today, we take you inside our vulcanization workshop, where durability and strength of every inner tube are shaped. Vulcanization is the key step that transforms raw rubber into a high-performance inner tube. Every tube enters the mold under precise temperature and pressure control, ensuring elasticity, airtightness, and long-term reliability. Here is an example of our automotive inner tube vulcanization process. From preparing the tube blank, loading it into the mold, to the final formation, each stage is monitored to guarantee consistency and safety for heavy-duty use. After vulcanization, every tube undergoes airtightness testing, size inspection, and visual checks, because quality is the foundation of Fuchuntyre. We offer full sizes for agricultural, OTR, truck, PCR, and motorcycle inner tubes, meeting the demands of global wholesalers and OEM partners. We also support customization, including sizes, packaging, branding, and technical requirements. Fuchuntyre, 31 years of rubber expertise. Your trusted inner tube source factory.